Oh, damn.
So one of my doorknobs broke. They're over 10 years old, might as well replace them all. When you go to Home Depot or Lowe's, you'll see all these options for different door locks. These fancy electric ones with the numbers, they look kind of cool, but I don't trust them. They also have some locks that connect to your Wi-Fi. Why would anyone want that? You're basically introducing multiple points of failure, and they're also very expensive. These simple mechanical ones worked for over 10 years, so I'll stick with these. In total, there are 3 doors that need new locks. Since I have to replace locks on 3 doors, I wanted to make sure that a single key worked for all of them. There are different ways to make this happen. Easiest way is to buy the locks with the matching key codes by looking at this number. Make sure all the locks you buy have this same number on the package. If for some reason they don't have the amount of locks you need with the same code, you can also buy the same lock but with a different code and have the guy that does the keys at the Home Depot have them rekey the lock so the key works on all the locks. You can also take it to a locksmith and they'll do the same thing. Based on my research, these Schlage brand are the best locks available at the big box stores for residential use. This package came as a kit that included the doorknobs, deadbolt, and 2 keys. The length of this piece is adjustable to align with your door. I bought 3 units, so I have 6 keys in total. 1 lock for the front door, 1 for the door to the backyard, and another for the garage. It comes with long screws, which is good. Remove the old doorknob hardware. There's metal powder in here for some reason. Now remove the deadbolt. Once you've removed the old doorknob and deadbolt, check the instructions to make sure your door has the correct size holes and alignment. Mine were just right. I'll be painting the house soon, so the peeling paint will be fixed. Let's install the new deadbolt. The middle hole needs to be on the bottom. First, install the exterior piece with the keyhole on it. Next, install the interior piece and install the large screws. Now we install the doorknobs, pretty much the same way as the deadbolt. You can remove the doorknob handle by pressing in the slot with a flathead screwdriver. This makes it easier to install the screws. This is my front door, which has reinforced strike plates. I'll be reusing these with the new locks. I bought this hardware to reinforce my door years ago. Forgot which company I bought it from, but if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments and I'll find out. Notice how big these screws are. This reinforced strike plate has 7 long screws. Removing the original strike plate, look how small it is. Anyone can kick these things in, no problem. Install the new hardware the same way as the other doors. Of course, everybody's barging in when I'm trying to work. My wife and kids. At this point, I'm just reinstalling everything. The new locks fit perfectly. After this, I did the final door in my garage, but you get the idea of how I did this. Another project done. Thanks for watching. Please comment with any questions. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing.